In this presentation, we are considering how to use the specially developed Premium Line Solution Calculator, and how this tool can be useful for you. Using the Premium Line Online Solution Calculator, you can create the following: specification for copper networks of all categories, specification for data center solutions, configuration of fiber optic panels, configuration of optic distribution frame, configure the necessary fiber optic patch cords, configure pre-terminated fiber optic trunk cables. We have software for automating calculations. You can download the Premium Line Solution Calculator from our website in the download section. This is one self-installing file. You do not need to install anything additionally. The software has a friendly interface. Now we consider how to use the online calculator. Everything is very simple. You can go to Service, Online Calculators, and select Calculator what you need. Now we are selecting the Data Center Solution Calculator. You can get the first calculation for connecting 2 racks in your data center, with HD panels and MPO-MPT trunk cable. We made it very simple and we did not include all options. You can select fiber optic type, quantity of fibers, MPO-MTP connector type and polarity A or U. We recommend to use polarity U. And our specification is ready. The completed solution is with part numbers, description and quantity. Of course your data center will have more racks, but all components will be the same. You need to recalculate only quantity. And you need more trunk cables with different length. You can use our next calculator for this. Next is the calculator for selecting pre-terminated fiber optic trunk cables. Premium Line offers the wide selection of pre-terminated fiber optic trunk cables. Available to order MPT, MPO-MTP, MPO, which you can use to build communication channels 4100 gigabit per second. There are also trunk cables MTP, MPO-LC and LC-LC. They can be used for 10 gigabit per second channels together with high density panels. We select the type of fiber, the number of fibers in the cable, connectors and the length of the finished cable. If you have questions in preparing the offer for data centers, we can help you with its preparation based on the client technical specifications. Our technical specialists will prepare a complete specification based on our products, and will prepare your managers to present this solution to the client. In the Premium Line Solution Calculator, you can quickly find the necessary configuration of the fiber optic patch cord. 8 fiber optic options are available. For single mode, these are G652 and G657, fiber with a reduced bending radius. Single mode connectors can be polished UPC, or APC, or hybrid. On the one side is UPC and on the other is APC. For multimode, fibers from OM1 to OM5 are available. Everything is simple and fast. This is all we'd like to tell about the Premium Line Solution Calculator. We hope it will be useful to you and help save your time and resources. Please, pay attention that on the Premium Line Academy website we have free online courses, including the Data Center Online course, where all the technical aspects are considered in details. After finishing the course and successfully pass the final test, you will get the certificate. Please find more information on our website. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you for your attention.